Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. This is Zainul Abidin. I hope you'll be fine, be happy, and be humble. So, dear friends, today we'll discuss what is photo collage. Photo collage means if you wanted to add the photo of your favorite personality, favorite celebrity, if you wanted to add the photo of your favorite friend, or if you wanted to add the photo of every other your favorite person with your own picture. In this video, I will show you all the process and phenomena about photo collage, and also recommend the best and perfect app which will give you 100% output regarding photo collage. After watching the video, if you feel that the video was beneficial for me, so please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to inform about more new short informative videos like this. So let's switch to our mobile screen. So friends, after opening mobile screen, you have to go and open Play Store application. After opening Play Store application, you have to search inshot. Click on first option. Yes, this app will show in front of you. Look this. You have to download this. So I had already downloaded this, so look, this interface will show in front of you, and there will be three options. Number one is video, number second is photo, number third is collage. So we will click on collage one. Now you have to select the images which you wanted to collage between. I had select one and second. So now I will click on layout. The different interfaces will show in front of you, the different layouts. So this is number one, and if you wanted to, you can try this one. You can drag your image like this to this one, or this one, or this one. There are different layouts. Look this. You have to set your picture according to the screen. This one, just set the picture according to the screen. This one. There are different layouts in inshot app, the perfect one app. Look this. Look this. Look this. If you wanted to show your picture small and one is large, so, and if you wanted to, so I will click on that one, first one, and now come towards the border. If you wanted to enhance their borders, look this. So I think this will okay. How much four side border do you want to keep? So I will keep this less. And how much spherical will be your photo? So this depends upon you, how much you wanted to keep. So I will keep this. So look, this is our picture. Now click on save. Oh, look this. Look this, our picture is saved in gallery. This is called photo collage, means combining two or more photos together. So must download it and have fun. Thanks for watching, dear friends, and if you feel any difficulty regarding any topic, so just comment me. I will make the video on that topic. My aim is to just bring easiness in your life. Wassalam.